YouTube, I took my Xbox One X apart due to I seen some people are saying that what due to was um hold on due to black screen of death, and I was thinking about paying $200 to Microsoft for repairs, but I can't afford that because I have another machinery that's more essential than this for repairs. So I'm trying to reassemble this thing to show you, to try to prove your point. Okay, and then I need to find this hardware was from my other Xbox One, which is in pieces. I'm still trying to sell it, but nobody wants it. And this is the one that we currently have. This hard drive seems pretty good. I looked onto the volume on it on my computer and it was fine. Hold on. I know I keep getting the... Stop it, phone! Gee. Sorry, my phone is... misbehaved. Okay, so everything's together, not the DVD, because the DVD is too far out. I'm gonna connect everything.
Can I keep the TV?
No, you need to keep that. That's where you're gonna play your Chase McCain game.
So we're gonna keep this?
No. I mean, yeah. See, you can tell her she's running. Oh, the fan's not plugged in. That would help. The drive's working. Fan's working. Everything's all working, but everything. Hard drive is spinning, picking up all the data. HMI is plugged in, and no signal on the TV. So yeah, this is a black screen of death. I don't know what caused this thing. Honestly, I don't know. They say it's a retimer on this thing. It's really a shame that my brother the other day was using this, and then it just broke on him. The next day he tried playing it, it just stopped working. I think it's the retimer they have on this thing. And I don't want to take this heatsink apart. I mean, take this thing. I took it apart to the point. Guys, if you're in the comments section below, let me know what should I do next. Or give me the funds to go to Microsoft for repairs. Microsoft would doubt me they only want to do full repair. I contact them about it. Why is Microsoft so quietly lately? They know this is haunting them, or they're going to be haunting them, just like the Xbox 360. I am just going to... This thing was 2017 when it first came out, so it might be in the earliest models out there. I didn't know that until... I bought this late in 2019, so it was made 2 years ago, of 2019. Now it's 2021, so it's about roughly 4 years? Yeah, roughly 4 years is this thing was being made. I don't necessarily want to take this heatsink off, because if I do, then I have to redo this thermal pads right here. Here. I don't like. And then I have to... It's not fun. And I'm trying to get that retimer, but you have to remove this heatsink to get to it. Other than that, guys, help me out, because I am trying to pinch my pennies as much as possible.
And does TRX going to talk to comment about it too?
What?
The famous YouTuber that you subscribe to?
Tonic Fix. I don't know. Tonic Fix did something like that.
He might comment about that too.
So, I might have to get a stupid cheap rework station. I know, yell at me all you want. But I have to find something way that can help me out. And maybe I can go ahead and buy another. I'm trying to make a video to help you guys out. So this is part 1 of repair on this console. The fins, I cleaned it up. It was a little dusty, but no sign of dust anywhere. Well, a little bit of it, but not like to the point where it clogs it up. Alrighty. Help me out, guys. Leave your comments below. Get Tronic fixed to see if he can contact me privately, and I can talk to him privately. Tronic fix, if you're watching this, email me at hollingerw13@gmail.com, and we can discuss there later on. Do not, anybody who's seen the email, do not spam the crap out of me, unless just put in the title of that email saying, hey, I have a person who can do this and this and this. I don't mind for repairs or for business stuff. I don't mind. Other than that, I will not want you to use my email for that. Alrighty. Please leave a like, subscribe, whatever the YouTube system works. And yes, I am a person who saves screws. Instructions, there's no instructions for taking this apart. Well, yeah, there is. I just took it apart and know where all the screws is and took it apart. Can you disconnect to the hard drive? No, you need to.
Is that normal? Look, like that?
Pull it. Okay. Well, you just broke the bracket off. Pull it. Gently drop it.
Is that the bracket? Is that normal bracket?
That's just so this SATA thing is too low, too big. Instead of cheaping it, go out cheap, then go and just hold on.
Does that go back together?
Something like that. The nice thing about SSD, guys, they're just one connection. You don't have to worry about hard drives as much. And also SSDs boots better than hard drives. Yeah, it still have original shield. This guy. I should put this. Hold up. Hold this camera. Don't point it at me yet. Just point it at what I'm doing. You look like you're not pointing down. Point it down towards it. Act like you're looking at the item, then look at it on the phone. Sorry about that, guys. That was my brother's. He actually owns mostly of this console. I only had some anti-static foam, which I don't really care. I only take the hard drive for personal reasons, for data. Other than that, okay, I was on the wrong side anyways. I'm temporarily putting it back together. Yeah, this is what's supposed to go. It's so funny that Microsoft made a small console, and yet they went and make it big again. So stupid about them. They made a small console, and they went big again. Like, this is the smallest console they ever came out with. And they went back to big, gigantic console ever. Such a waste of money.
Yeah. Which is the rocket launcher console.
Nobody really cares what you do to these. Nobody really cares about something this and this.
In the future, bro, I would love to get the Series X. In the future, you hear me?
Okay. What is this side pin is all about? Oh, it's... I know what it is exactly. It is about...
What?
Hold on. Matt, point it here.
Okay.
Don't go far from anything.
I'm not showing your face.
I don't want my face to be revealed yet. It's been a couple times. Alright, here is this.
I usually wash my hands when it's a little dusty and look.
Yeah, dusty, because you never know what's in this stuff. If Microsoft makes their repairs a little cheaper, I would have think about getting it sent back to them. But other than that,
They
it's not
have
worth
the
it.
they have the new console and they don't care about fixing One X.
Yeah, they don't really care for the Xbox One at all. Once forever. They care about you not modifying it. You're pointing at my face, but I don't really care.
Sorry guys about the fate pointing at his face.
Say sorry to me.
Sorry, where to? You forgive me, Bo?
Yeah.
Can't wait till Fall Guys comes to Xbox.
I don't care for frick. I'm a PC gamer, so I don't care for darn. Before I've been a PC gamer, I've been playing on this. I have another Xbox One, but I need to find a new plastic shell and stuff. That ribbon should not be...
Going away.
No, it shouldn't be doing that. That's what's blocking all of this.
So that's the original case. That's how it is formed.
Not really.
Without this guy, it's not how it's formed. Here's the case of the 8 hard drive. I guess we're gonna keep this, right? This guy. We're gonna keep this guy, right, Bo?
Yeah, something like that.
So this was how it's formed. Like this. Look.
Yeah, I heard you, Matt.
This is how it's formed.
Yeah, it's what it's supposed to be. No, the bottom. See these things? That should be on another bracket. This bracket. This bracket should be right.
Here.
No, this bracket. Wait, this bracket should be here.
I was getting the part.
And then it should be right about. I have no clue what my dad's talking about.
It's not something about viewings, right?
Politics, maybe.
But we haven't talked any politics at him.
No. See, guys,
Oh, we used to say sorry about the political stuff.
it doesn't matter. It wasn't really much, anyways. So, guys, this is what have been a hard drive sitting. So right now, I have to put this back the original way, but it isn't 100% original. But I don't really care for it. Like, I honestly don't care.
My brother's thinking about getting another 1X. Right?
I was thinking, doesn't mean it's true. So I'm gonna be putting this, putting it back in the box like this. No hard drive or no CD drive. It's out. It's just the parts. And that box, the original box, would have been better. Alright, put this in the box.
So,
Okay, guys, see? It's the original box in the original box.
and original stuff.
And the original screws. Sorry about that. Here. Slowly. That's, yeah. I was thinking that. See, it would fit. It will fit better. Alright, guys. So the hard drive, or this hard drive, I'm gonna give it to my neighbor because that's some of his stuff. Forget to give it back to him.
We're gonna keep this, right?
Yeah, that's out. That's part of the other equipment. I don't know where, but I found it somewhere. Hey, please like and subscribe. Bye.